How's everybody doing? My name is Tim Barnes of Astro Auto Repairs. You may also know me as future Rocky Mount City Councilman for Ward 3. Alright, check it out. Bronson Williams contacted me and he wanted me to get a price on what would it cost to do a head gasket. Now doing a head gasket all depends on the vehicle, what year, make, model, and engine size, and also whether the car has a lot of rust on. So what we're going to do in this video, because I know a lot of you have that same exact question, we're going to walk you through the process of what we do and what every legitimate repair shop should do when pricing out a head gasket. So let's get to the front of get to the shop and have Sylvia take over.
All right, so what we do is we go to Real Time Labor Guide. We have a monthly subscription with them. And in here, you can look up any labor, any job for any vehicle from the 1968 all the way up to 2024. So what we're looking up today is a 2015 Ford. That's what Bronson has. He has a 2015 Ford Mustang. And it's a 2.3 turbo. So we go in here, and here's where you pick what job you need to do. So we're going to do a head gasket. So we go into gaskets, engine gasket, and R&R head gasket or cylinder heads, because it's the same thing. So you go in there, it's going to ask you a couple of questions. Does it have air conditioning or power steering? Of course it does. So then you hit continue, and it says it's 10.2 hours. Our labor rate is 75, so that would be what we would charge. Usually shops are about what, $100 an hour or
minimum,
something.
About 150.
Minimum.
Yeah.
So that's what you would get. So that would be to do the job.
So it's their labor rate multiplied by the hours.
The hourly rate.
Okay.
So then when you need of course you're going to need parts. You can go to AutoZone, Advance, O'Reilly, or wherever you shop at. And like we're going to pick AutoZone. We got to pick what kind of vehicle it is. 2015 Ford. Boy, there's a lot of Fords. Mustang is not a GT. no offense.
Oh,
all right, so now if you have the VIN of the vehicle, that's the best way to look up parts, because then you're gonna get more accurate. But it's probably what, the EcoBoost.
Yeah, let's try that.
The EcoBoost. Yep, 2.3 turbo. So we're gonna do head gasket. So we're gonna look up head gasket set.
Now, so you don't look up just head gasket.
You don't want to do that because of the fact that you're going to need a lot more gaskets just to do the head gasket. You got to remove so many things, and then when you put everything back, you're going to need these gaskets, even though the only one that's bad is the head gasket. So this set right here
comes with the head bolts.
Sometimes you got to get the head bolts separately. But in this case, it comes with the head bolts plus all the gaskets you would need to do the job. So that would be your price. Again, the price would vary depending on where you shop.
Now, this is AutoZone. It all depends on where you get your parts from. A lot of people like to go online. We don't recommend places like eBay at all.
No.
We recommend like Rock Auto. You can even get parts from Amazon. Not that just stick with Rock Auto.
Yeah, Rock Auto.
RockAuto.com.
Because Rock Auto has name brand parts at a really good price.
Right. Not to put AutoZone down, but you see their price is $273. Let's look up a price comparison.
I don't know if Rock Auto is gonna have DNJ, but
well, you get an idea of
2015 Mustang 2.3. I'm going to go into engine, and you see cylinder head gasket set.
Ooh.
Oh, that one's difficult to get.
Yeah.
Well, let's try going here. Oh no, that's just the head gasket.
Wow. So that might be a good price. Now, also, what is that? Oh, it's out of stock.
Just pictures. Yeah, they were out of stock on it.
Yeah.
So I can't get a price.
Now
for
you can
full
also
quarter.
go like that head gasket set was DNJ. You can also go to dnj.com when they would have the parts right there as well, but we're not going to go into that. But pretty much that's how we price out a head gasket. And it's not just with this vehicle, this is with all other vehicles. And also you're going to need fluids, a new oil, may want to change the spark plugs, coolant,
Antifreeze.
right? So you make sure that is going to be added into the price as well.
Okay, that's it.
Yep, that's it.
All right.
All right. So I hope that answers all your questions. It all depends on what's the labor rate of each shop. And a lot of factors involved. But if you have any comments or questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below, and me or Sylvia will definitely get to it and answer it for you. All right, take it in and make sure you vote. At least if you live in Ward 3, make sure you vote. Tim Barnes. Vote for me.